John Deere 160 Excavator. We'll go through what the controls do. Kind of basic, just to give you an idea how these things work. Got two joysticks, one on the right side, one on the left side. This one uses ISO controls, plumb like most of the excavators out there. It's got your boom controls over here on the right hand side. Pull the boom back, pull the joystick back, boom goes up. Boom, joystick forward, boom goes down. The side to side on the joystick controls your bucket. Bring it to you, it rolls the bucket to you. Push the joystick away from you, it rolls the bucket away from you. Joystick over here on the left hand side, it works the stick, which the bucket is attached to. Pull the joystick to you, brings the stick to you. Joystick away from you, pushes the stick away from you. Joystick on the left also controls left to right of the carriage and the bucket. Swing the joystick away from you towards the left, the machine moves to the left. Joystick over towards the right, just reverse that, move to the right. You got two pedals down here with levers attached to them. They control your tracks. The one on the right, forward and backwards for your track on the right. The one on the left, forward and backwards for the track on the left. Forward always being towards the idler, not the sprocket. The sprocket is always to the right. Machine has auto idle function on it. If you leave the controls alone for longer than 4 seconds, it automatically puts the machine back at idle. When you grab the joystick and move it, you rev the machine back up. I'm going to move it around a little bit and hopefully you can see the controls and see what it'll do. Weighs about 35,000 pounds and it's got about a 1 yard bucket on it probably. This machine is a 04-year model, has approximately 2,700 hours on it. There's a little bit with the bucket. Show you which direction. The sprockets are on the back of the machine, so when you pull the levers back to you, the machine goes backwards. When you push the levers away from you, the machine goes forward. So it happens to sitting on the carriage the opposite way right now. Swinging around takes care of that. Now there's your forward and backwards. Turn left, turn right, reverse. So that's the basics of how it works.